Welcome to how to download, install, and update GloCOM video tutorial. Download the latest stable version available for your operating system. Save and run the installation file. Read the license agreement, select I agree, and click on Next. Specify the installation and shortcut folders and proceed with the installation. If everything went okay, you will see installation successful screen. Click Finish and run the application. Simply follow the setup wizard instructions. Enter the account details you have been provided with, and under Advanced section, you can enter server login information. On next screen, you can specify whether you want to use desk or a soft phone by default. And in case you have Polycom phone, you can enter the phone IP address here. At the summary screen, check once more that you have entered information correctly and click on Finish. This will open the application. You can now start using GloCOM.